I'm Sebastien, and I'm here with my son Calvin, and we're in the Zenith cargo van. We've just left Mexico, Missouri. It's Monday morning, a little bit after 8. We're on our way to Florida for the Sun and Fun Holiday Fly-In Festival, and that's it's actually Friday and Saturday coming up, and we're Monday now. Thursday morning, we're hosting one of our hands-on workshops in Lakeland, Florida, right on the Sun and Fun campus, and we're looking forward to doing that. And again, we're in the Zenith cargo van. We also have a few kids in the back, and we're going to be delivering those on our way down to Sun and Fun. So it's kind of exciting for us because we're trying this out, a new time doing this, and it's also kind of a good time to be heading south. It doesn't look too bad out here, but it was pretty cold. I think it was right around freezing this morning when we left here, about 30 degrees, and so you know, it'd be kind of nice time to be going down south to Florida. So looking forward to doing that, and we'll try to. This is our first trip doing this with kids in the back, so we'll kind of chronicle this as we go along. Looking forward to a nice little road trip with my son, and looking forward to meeting with customers as we deliver kids, as well as, well, you'll see, we'll make a few stops along the way, and we'll try to document all that as our first little cross-country adventure. So we're out by Kentucky, Paducah, Kentucky, I think we just passed, and we're doing our first fuel stop, and gonna grab a quick bite to eat, get gas, and check on the load. Everything's riding very well, so we'll move on to the next stop. Hey guys, so we're continuing on our trip. We're 6 hours in. We've done a fuel stop, lunch break, and we're now just coming on to, I'll turn the camera around here, to Nashville, Tennessee. We already have a planned stop for tonight, which is in Cleveland, Tennessee, and that's home of John Humbird. Of course, John is famous with his Super 701, and pretty much right on the way to Sun and Fun before we hit I-75 to go south toward Florida. And so we're gonna go check out John's place. If we have time, I'll maybe do a little bit more video about John and his shop. Of course, John has a 701 that he's flying, the Super 701. He's also building a custom single-seat narrow-body 701 for competition, and is working on a Super Duty for him and his wife and his daughter. So definitely a lot to see right out there. And then also John will be joining us in Florida on Friday and Saturday for the STOL competition at the Sun and Fun Holiday Fly-In Festival. Well, we're driving through here the Tennessee mountains, really pretty area out here. We're still a little bit west of Chattanooga. Pretty much coming, it's still not quite dark, but it's just starting to get dark. That's why I thought we'd still do a little video update before it got dark itself. We're probably, what, about a half hour from our destination there in Cleveland, Tennessee. Basically, right in, you know, just north of Georgia. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna resume our journey. We have a couple kit deliveries that we're gonna be delivering. A couple 701 CH701 STOL kits. They're south of Atlanta, so we're gonna be planning to make the stops there. And been a really good drive so far today. Good weather, pretty good driving, and I've got a good driver with me, Calvin, paying attention driving the truck.
Right. Now, give yourself more control surfaces. Never notice if you have them, as opposed to just like.
So this clean shot you just saw here, I'm in Cleveland, Tennessee, home of John Humbird with the Super 701 right here, and so we're again on our way to Sun and Fun, but this is like a perfect halfway point, and John's become a pretty good friend, so we decided to stop out here, look at his projects, and we're going to spend the night out here before continuing on to Florida tomorrow. So this is a look inside John's awesome hangar here. Well, hangar slash workshop slash
farm
shop.
and the whole works. Yep.
And I know John's put quite a bit of effort in cleaning this shop up. It looks like a great shop, actually. And these are his two projects here, the 701 ZR, is it we're calling it?
Yeah, that's what I'm calling it.
And look how narrow that is, isn't that cool? And then he's got the 750 Super Duty over here, so a lot going on in here. And then of course we've got the Super 701
yep.
over here with the UL 350IS engine with the cowl off here. Were you just doing some routine maintenance work on it?
Checking the oil, yeah, it's ready.
Checking the oil, ready to go.
Working the front, and I've been paying close attention to where my feet are for pedals, and I'm pretty well stretched out.
Well, we're continuing to make progress on our trip south to Florida. We're here in the Zenith cargo van. And so it's, what are we, nearly noon on Tuesday, so we're a day and a half in our trip. We're south of Atlanta. We've just passed Macon, Georgia on I-75. And again, continuing south. So shortly, in about an hour or so, we're going to be in Sylvester, Georgia, which is just in southern half of Georgia, doing our first kit delivery. So we're going to try to document that a little bit and share more info on that. Now again, we picked up this cargo van, well, going on about a year ago, and we put the fancy graphics on it. We've used it at Oshkosh and Sun and Fun at the Zenith display. And again, one of the reasons we got this van was the ability to also kind of deliver kits, you know, packing the kit in the back of the vehicle, and we'll definitely see that in more detail later. But it's kind of a white glove service where it goes from door to door rather than being boxed up and then being carried by common carrier, which is, you know, basically forklifts handling the big box and going from terminal to terminal, and then for the customer having to take delivery of a big box, which is often difficult because it's, you know, it's a 1,000-pound box with the contents just showing up at your door. Sometimes that's a challenge. So with the van, we're kind of experimenting with the ability to do door-to-door delivery of the kits that way. So again, this is kind of a trial run for us. We're definitely looking forward to it, and we'll share more information on that shortly as we continue on the journey and this adventure. The plan right now is to stop at Wheels and Wings in Lake City, Florida. Our friend Herman S. House in Lake City, Florida, who does builder assistance there. So we'll have a look at his facility. We're actually dropping off a few parts for him and then continuing down to Sun and Fun. So this is our first real kit delivery, you know? Really? And then we have another one couple of hours,
hour and a half south.
South,
yeah, like just
and then a third one by Lakeland. So okay, this will be kind of neat.
Oh, wow,
so
that's awesome.
I know it kind of worked out well. We're pretty excited about it.
I can't wait. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of the van. Too excited.
And so we're in Sylvester, Georgia. Right, right.
Town.
And what is Sylvester, Georgia famous for?
It is the peanut capital of the world.
It is the peanut cap. Oh, right.
Yes,
well, that's cool.
Undisputed peanut capital of the world.
It's undisputed even, huh? So we finished unloading here the first kit, and that went really well. And so we had kit for William here, and nicely unloaded everything. We were able to lay all the parts and pieces here on the tarp here, and then when he gets a chance, he's going to be able to put those away. But unloading the van was really simple to do, and a little bit of help from with my son Calvin. So William, how did it go?
Oh, it was awesome. Like I said, this is the greatest experience ever. I mean,
yeah, it makes your job a little bit easier than having a big box,
like
isn't it?
Like I said, I highly recommend it. This is the only way to receive a kit. I mean, you got the experts right here at your hand that's unloading it for you. You know exactly what you get. You know what kind of shape it's going to be in. It's awesome. Yeah,
that's great. Great. Well, glad you think so as well, because it's a good way to do it. And
it's the only way to do it.
Pretty much. Yeah. I know, we got to be careful what we say because everybody will want us to deliver it, and we'll say, whoa. But yeah, that was great. So then we're going to continue on our trip and head down farther south to Boston, Georgia, until and then go into Florida.
Oh, y'all are well outfitted.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're a little lighter now after our first stop,
Okay,
which is
yeah.
up in Sylvester, hour and a half north of here.
Yeah, I know where Sebastien is.
Yeah.
What is he building?
701.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I need to be in touch
Get you
with
two in
him.
touch, yeah. He's got some interesting plans for it too. He's planning on going electric.
Okay.
He seems like he has a good idea what he's up for in the project, though. And he's built other airplanes, so.
I'm old school. I like traditional.
As we saw, we finished unloading the kit for Charles. Wonderful gentleman, met with his wife. She made us a awesome ham grilled cheese sandwich. Wonderful southern hospitality. And so we've done the two kit deliveries this afternoon. Went fantastic. What did you think, Calvin?
As quick and easy as I'd hoped. Everything really smooth.
Yeah, it was easy to unload. Everything traveled really well, and both the customers were ready to receive it. It was easy to unload. It worked out really well. So again, this is something that we're definitely looking forward to doing more of. Okay, well, we've made it to, where are we? Lake City, Florida. And so we had a great day. We delivered the two kits and made it to Lake City, Florida. And so I'm here with Herman and Amy, his wife Amy. And Herman Esthouse does Wheels and Wings Builder Assist Center right here in Lake City, Florida. So we're kind of right at I-75 and I-10.
Yes.
What's the name of the air park?
Cannon Creek Air Park, 15 FL.
And as well as, so we know Calvin. Calvin helped all day. And Paula, which is Herman's daughter. And so again, we had a great trip. And so we're, as you can see, we're having a great dinner as well. Enjoying some seafood sandwich, yay, yay. And so we'll go on and yeah, tomorrow morning we'll do a little tour of Herman's facility and go from there. So. Good day.
Awesome.